Hello and welcome to Herald TV Evening News Bulletin with me, Clarissa Camelo. Let's take a look at the top stories for today. Police Sub Inspector Stanley Gomes, attached to Margao Police Station, has been suspended for allegedly assaulting a person when he was taking a photo at the police station where he had gone along with a friend to lodge a complaint. The victim, 25-year-old Edwin Coelho, was allegedly assaulted by the PSI by slapping him viciously at least 4 times on his face, resulting in bleeding from the ear, hearing loss, and rupturing of the eardrum. Here are the details.
Of police brutality nowadays, and one such case we have seen in Goa itself, in Margao itself very recently. One boy by the name of Joel Coelho, he was beaten up by the Margao police PSI Stanley Gomes. This is his allegation that at the time that he was there at the police station, he had gone accompanying his cousins to register one complaint against some other persons. So as a complainant, as an informant, he has gone to the police station, but he was not safe in the police station. As he was outside, and poor thing, a young 25-year-old boy, he was clicking a selfie of himself. There is no law prohibiting clicking of photographs around the precinct of the police station. He was in the compound, not inside the police station. He was in the compound, he was clicking a selfie. He was supposed to put it on Snapchat. But at the time that he was clicking this selfie, the police person saw him. Somehow he alleged that y'all are making all these things viral and all, so he got irritated. He dragged the boy inside the police station, took him to one of the rooms over there, and he slapped him left, right, on his cheeks, on his face. The boy became completely disoriented, and at some point he was outside that room. I don't know whether he was led outside the room or whether he himself escaped. He demanded that justice be done, but they were just kept aside. They were not entertained properly. Then finally on 25th, I accompanied them along with the family, and I demanded that FIR should be registered against this PI Stanley Gomes. Now all the ingredients are made out for the offences, which are wrongful restraint, causing grievous hurt, then assault. These are the sections which are already made out. So there is no reason why FIR should not be registered. Why they are taking time reviewing these matters and all. I have also personally spoken to the DYSP, and I have asked that special protection should not be given to the policeman just because he is one of them.
Trinamool Congress Goa has hit out at the BJP government over corruption in the Kala Academy works, the old Goa illegal construction within the heritage precincts and the tree linear projects. She questioned how PWD paid 3% contingency charge of rupees 1.3 crore to Tecton builders even before work had started, and questioned if no kickbacks were paid in the renovation work of Kala Academy. She also alleged the Chief Minister Pramod Sawant is a puppet and Sangatana Mantri Satish Dond is controlling everything. Moitra assured to take up the old Goa illegal villa and linear projects issue in Parliament.
This has been 3% contingency charge of 1.3 crores, which is unheard of in a public project because you've done it before the work has even been started. And the funniest part about this is that on the 12th of April 2021, the PWD issued a letter to Tecton builders saying, are you willing to undertake this work? On the same day, Tecton gives a letter saying, yes, we are willing. How can the PWD issue a letter requesting work on one day and Tecton give the answer the same day? Were Tecton builders sitting inside the PWD meeting? You mean to tell me there has been no kickback given for this project? 49 crores of government money being given without a tender process. For this project, 49 crores of government money being given without a tender process. The second issue is that of the heritage structure, which is the land within the ASI protected area in Old Goa, in Vela da Goa, that I visited yesterday. It is home to a tiger corridor, home to 800 plant species, home to innumerable bird and butterfly species. What do we see? On 7th April 2020, when all of India is under lockdown, Central Government, Environment Minister Mr. Javadekar grants virtual clearance to 3 projects. And the Chief Minister does even better than that. Mr. Sawant calls all the people to his house to give the clearance.
The same Old Goa Action Committee led hunger strike entered the 4th day On Saturday, protesters said that many political parties had assured support to their demand. The illegal structure erected by the BJP functionary meters away from the St. Cajetan Church at Old Goa. The TMC had assured to raise the issue in Parliament. Anna Gracious told media. She said all the protesters would be happy if the government demolishes the illegal structure before 3rd of December, which is the feast day of Goa's patron, St. Francis Xavier.
तिने आपला सपोर्ट खूप दाखवलेलो आसा, जावं आमचे काँग्रेस जावं आप जावं TMC जावं सगळ्यांनी सांगलां आमकां, आनी TMCन सांगलां आपण तेंच्या पार्लमेंटाक आपण हे कोत्तले हायलायट कोत्तले म्हणून, आनी एकूच इश्यू न्हू, खूब इश्यूज आसा तेंचे कडेन, आनी खूब जाणांनी सांगलां आमकां आमी तुमच्या बरोबर आसा, तुमी केन्ना आपयता आमकां सांग, आमचो क्रावड घेवन आमी येतले. पण आमी तांकां सांगलें इतले बेगीन आमकां क्रावड नाका, कित्याक आमी 3rd देखून पळयतली कशें कितें तें, आनी ते उपरांत डिसिजन घेतली.
Ultimate time 3rd
December, because
before
it is
that
a feast. Before 3rd December, I would be very happy if the government demolishes the same structure.
माझे म्हणणे कितें आहा, आतां आमी सगळें आयकलां, मिडियाचेर पळयलां, वॉट्सॅपाचेरूय येता की ते लायसन्स रिवोक करता म्हणून. लायसन्स रिवोक केले म्हणटकच तुमी दुसऱ्याक चान्स दिता तांकां आनीक कोर्टान वचपाक, फुडें ढुकलपाक, आनी ते कोर्टान वयतकच तूं जाणा फुडें 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 वचत रावता. सो आमचें म्हणणें लायक आनाबाईन सांगलां ते भाशेन की तें डेमॉलिश करून उडोवपाक जाय, कित्याक आमच्या गोंयकाराचें कांय न्हू तें, तांकां घर ना म्हूण न्हू तें गरीब लोक न्हू तो पयशावालो, कित्याक थिंगासोर CRZ लागता, सगलो हेंच कितें म्हणटा तें ब्युटिफाय आहा तें सगळें हें जाता, कॉन्क्रीट जाता, आनी हालें समज तें येयलें जायतीं जाणां येतलीं थिंगासोर, सगळे मागीर आमचें हे जाय ऑर प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया म्हणून खंय आसतलें, कांय आसचें ना. सो म्हाजो सपोर्ट तांकां की तें डेमॉलिश करचें, कित्याक रिवोक करून आनी कितें करून गव्हर्मेंट आमकां हें करता तशें जावंक पावना. आनी हे पॉलिटिक्स येता सगळे येता, सगळे उलयता, पूण कितें आहा हांव करता, सपोर्ट करता, पूण खंय कितें आहा अल्टिमेटली इट्स अ झिरो. There should be a strong point, Baba, we are going to do, we are with you, and we are going to finalize. Now, as she has taken the decision, because she is the main one, we are supporting her, and she is doing really good cause for our Goa. And if it is not done, we are going to have a mass gathering over here.
On Saturday, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, when questioned about the Old Goa illegal structure issue, he said that his government is not supporting any illegal structure at the heritage site in Old Goa. We have not allowed any illegal structure. I have not given any permissions. Let it be demolished if it is illegal, Sawant stated. He also added that it was the former ministers who has done this. However, I will look into this matter, he assured. Sawant said no written representations had come to him on this issue.
कंट्रोवर्शियल स्ट्रक्चर जो आसा हेरिटेज सायटीन तेजेर लोकांचे मागणी आहा ती लायसन्सां विथड्रॉ करची, आनी तसोच तुमचो एक मंत्री मायकल लोबो हेंच मागता बेगीचे बेगीन लायसन्सां दिल्ली आहा ती कॅन्सील करची, विथड्रॉ करची, अशें CMा कडच्यानूय तो मागता म्हणटा. सर तुमकां कितें दिसता एज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर, तुमी कशें रिएक्ट करता सर?
पयली गजाल खंयच्याच इल्लिगल स्ट्रक्चराक म्हाज्या सरकारान थारो ना. हांवें खंयचेच इल्लिगल स्ट्रक्चर केन्नाच करपाक दिवंक ना, आनी करता आसत जाल्यार ते हांवें प्रमोट करूंक ना. म्हज्या पूर्ण टेन्युअरांत तुमी काडून पळयात, हांवें तरी कोणाक इल्लिगलाक खंयचे कर म्हणून परमिशन दिवंक ना. दुसरी गजाल, जे इल्लिगल स्ट्रक्चर जो कोण बांदता पळय न्ही रे, आनी जेका कोणाक तें मोडूंक जाय, जो कोण पेपरांनी उलयता पळय न्ही रे, तेंच्यांनी ऑफिशियली तेच्या खातीर कितें तरी वेव्हार करपाक जाय. प्रत्येक जाण उठतलो, हांव पेपरांच्यान सांगता म्हणटलो, आयज पर्यंत बाबा कितें तरी रायटिंगान दिवपाक जाय, मोड म्हणून. म्हाका कांय हरकत ना, मोडूनी. इल्लिगल जर आसत तें जाल्यार तें मोडोनी, कांयच हरकत ना. ताच्या फाटलो आपल्याक पयलीं समजून घेवपाची गरज आसता. ओके, एज फार एज हांवें समजून घेतला त्या प्रमाणे हांव तुका परत सांगता, दॅट इज अ प्रायवेट प्लॉट, कोणी तरी तिसऱ्या मनशान विकत घेतला, कोण तरी एका पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचोच जो एकेकाळी मंत्री आसलो तेजो घट मनीस ताच्या बरोबरूय आसा खंय, जो आपूण हात वयर करता. आतां म्हाका इन डिटेलान वचपाचें ना, बट ताच्या खातीर कोणी तरी नंबरूय घेतला तेका, कोणी तरी लायसनूय दिला, म्हटल्या उपरांत कोण तरी जो आसलो पळय न्ही रे, सदोदीत जो पावरीन कोण आसता, तेणी कदाचित कितें तरी केलां आसतलें, हांव तितूर वचना. पण म्हाका समजलं त्या प्रमाणे त्यांनी कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसनूय घेतलेलें आणि त्यांनी परमिशनय घेतलेली त्या वेळार ओके आणि त्यांनी तें कन्स्ट्रक्शन सुरू केल्लें. तुका हांवें तूं 114 पळय, कोणी लायसन्स घेतलें, कोण फायली घेवन भोंवतालो पळय न्ही तेंय पळय, ताच्या उपरांत सगळें कळटलें, उघड जातलें सगळें. चलो थँक्यू.
Marine lifeguards who had been previously on a prolonged protest have decided to protest again. On Saturday, they alleged that Chief Minister Pramod Sawant had assured to recruit them under the Human Resource Corporation. But till date, they have not been roped under the HR Corporation. They demanded immediate response from the Chief Minister on the issue of recruitment.
आता आपण रोखडेच पोस्ट काडटलो ते तुम्ही अप्लाय करा आणि त्या प्रमाणे आपण तुमकां घेता हे आमकां सीएमान आश्वासन दिलें आणि त्याच्या नंतरूच आम्ही आमचो स्ट्रायक आसा तो फाटी घेतलो. सीएमाचेर विश्वास दवरून आम्ही जे पोस्ट रोखडेच पोस्ट आयले ते आम्ही अप्लाय केले. त्याच्यानंतर कोविड पिरियड सुरू जालो आणि सगळे आमचे डिले झाले. परत आम्ही सीएमाक मेळ्ळे, सीएमान सांगले आता प्रोसिजर सारको सुरू जातलो तेन्ना तुमचे सगळे काम आसा, प्रत्येक जो आमचो गोंयकार लायफगार्ड आसा तेका आपूण सगळ्यांक घेतलो. हे आम्ही आता सगळे प्रोसिजर जाले, अप्लाय केले, ते कोण फिट बसता त्या हेतून MTS आसा, सेक्युरिटी गार्ड आसा, बाकीचे मल्टीटास्किंग आसा, अटेंडन्स आसा, हे पोस्ट आसा ते सगळे आम्ही भुरग्यांनी अप्लाय केले. सगळे लिस्ट आसा ते सीएमान सांगले आपल्याक पावया. MD नावती आसा तांकां पावयले. रोखडेच आम्ही बॅच घेवपाची आसा सेक्युरिटी गार्डाची तेन्ना तुमकां घेता अशें सांगले गेले. बॅच ऑलरेडी गेली, आमचो एक सुद्धा भुरगो ते घेतलो ना. सेकंड बॅच जाली, एक भुरग्याक आमच्या घेतलो ना आणि ते जाता तेन्ना आम्ही सीएमाच्या दारान वचून फावटी मारल्यो. म्हाका दिसता 100 वयर आम्ही सीएमाच्या दारान फावटी मारल्यो आणि प्रत्येक फावटी आमकां सीएमान सांगले तुमकां आम्ही घेता. तेंचेर विश्वास दवरलो आम्ही. आणि आज ह्या दिसा एक सुद्धा म्हज्या युनियनाच्या भुरग्याक आज ह्युमन रिसोर्सान घेवंक ना. त्यांच्यानी टेस्टूय दिली, सगळो प्रोसिजर केल्लो आसा, पासूय जाले ते, तरी आसतना जो कमिटमेंट सीएमान केल्लो तो करूंक ना. पूण आमकां एग्रेसिवली आमकां रस्त्यार येवन सरकाराच्या विरोधान आमकां व्हडलें आंदोलन करूं येतालें. पूण आमी पाशियस कित्याक केलें, एक विश्वास दवरलो आमी सीएमाचेर. तांणी ज्या प्रकारे आमकां सांगलें त्या प्रकारान पोस्ट काडले आनी तुमकां घेता म्हणून सांगलें. दुसरें आमी ऑप्शन दिल्लें की तुमी जर ह्युमन रिसोर्साचे हेका जायना, आमचे भुरगे सगळे एक्सपिरियन्स इन लायफगार्ड म्हणून एक्सपिरियन्स बिचाचेर त्यांनी इतले वर्सां सर्वीस केल्ली आसा. परत तांकां दृष्टी कंपनीन बाबा बरें तेंचे कितें तरी तांकां पगार वाड करून तांकां बऱ्यो फॅसिलिटी दिवन सीएमान मध्यस्थी करून तांकां परत लायफगार्ड म्हणूनूय तांकां घेवचें.
As the Goa Assembly elections near, things are certainly hotting up within the BJP. This time it is Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida who warned that he'll be forced to take harsh steps if injustice is meted out to him or in the event a ticket is denied to him. He said that the BJP must support minority candidates. Already 9 municipal councillors have extended support to Carlos Almeida, saying they will stand by Carlos Almeida, not matter on which party he decides to contest.
I आता सांगले मीडिया उत्पल परिकर डिसिजन घेला. He may have to take harsh decisions. I also may be forced to take harsh decisions. Things are against me.
But do you admit that people are in touch? But do you admit that some people are in touch with Daji Santo?
See, everybody is touching everybody. That way, even many people are in touch with me. IPEC people are in touch with me. That way, many people are in touch with everybody. Second in 2017, Patte Parikar gave a lot of seats to minority. Again, we formed the government but with less seats. आता Patte da Congress MLA joined the BJP. 8 minorities. So my request now at present we have आता 35% MLAs minority in the BJP. So my request to the party is to give 35% seats to minority again. So minority will come on board with the BJP. This is one point. As of today, we have so many councillors backing me. Secondly, many candidates have joined us. We were there. We had on September 8th party. Many have joined us, candidates. So that is my strength.
So don't you think that with such a good performance for council election, there is no chance for the party to deny you a ticket? So what is the reason for the basic press conference today?
See, Vasco basically was a Congress seat, not a BJP seat. We have kept it as BJP seat. So BJP party must also think of it.
It's pretty clear as far as Carlos is concerned. He has said that he would need to take a harsh decision if the need arises. So obviously, it's very clear he is contesting the upcoming elections in 2022. Whichever ticket he is sitting on, we as councillors, all of us, and it's the entire team, we will be with Carlos Almeida sincerely together, all of us, for the 2022 elections.
What about some councillors already affiliated with the party?
For us, Carlos, if we have won our election, we'll be very clear as councillors, all of us. Carlos has played a big role in our victory. For some of us in our previous 2015 term, and now in this present election of the councillors, and we are grateful to him. But it is our duty to be with him now, and we'll be with him.
The Congress on Saturday alleged that government sold jobs ranging from rupees 25,000 to rupees 30,000. GPCC President Girish Chorankar alleged that jobs were compromised by manipulating exams. Candidates who had paid bribes left answer sheets blank, and they were later replaced by some candidates who were given the answer keys in advance. Congress gave 8 days ultimatum to the Chief Minister to scrap all recruitments done in the last 6 months and hand them over to the Staff Selection Commission, or else the party would approach the High Court. Girish alleged that in the police department alone, CMO collected rupees 300 crore in bribes by charging rupees 15 lakh for post of constables and rupees 30 to 35 lakh for post of PSI.
त्याचे वेगवेगळे मोडस ऑपरेंडी आसा हे मॅनिप्युलेशन करता. एक म्हणजे ब्लँक पेपर म्हणजे भुरगो जो सेट जालो आसा ज्याने पैसे दिल्ले आसात. एक मोडस ऑपरेंडी तो आपल्याला आन्सर पेपर ब्लँक सोडटा आणि मागीर हे जे स्टाफ आसा जे एजन्सी ते आन्सर पेपर ते भरतात. म्हणून ते 100 मार्क्स पडटा. म्हणून जे अकाउंटंटाचे जे लिस्ट येता मेरिटाचेर थंय ओबीसीचो एससीचो एसटीचो भुरगो खंयच जनरल लिस्टान अपियर जायना. दुसरे आन्सर पेपर रिप्लेस करप. एकदा आन्सर पेपर जालो काय ना अनेक वेगळी पद्धत तो आन्सर पेपरूच रिप्लेस करप. त्याच्या नंतर आणि हे जे एक्झामिनर आसा तेच एक्झामिनर ते आन्सर करतात टिक करतात. म्हणजे फ्रेश आन्सर पेपर करप आणि तो रिप्लेस करप. म्हणून तो भुरगो पेपर घेऊन गेलो जो मायनिंग PWD भुरगो जो मायनिंग असिस्टंटाचो पोस्ट अर्दवरा भितर वयता पेपर घेऊन. दॅट इज द पार्ट ऑफ दॅट. सो तिसरी पद्धत ती पेपर घेऊन घरा वचप आन्सर पेपर हे. चौथो जो एक्झामी टायमार जे पैसे दिले वयतात त्या भुरग्याकडे आन्सर की दितात. म्हणजे तो भुरगो आन्सर की घेऊनच येता. ह्या पोस्टाची किंमत जवळजवळ 30 ते 35 लाख PSI ओपन आसा मार्केटान सारकें. इवन पुलीस टॉप ऑफिसर्स सांगताले आणि हांव खंय दचकना. आणि कॉन्स्टेबलाची फक्त दोनूच हेची किंमत सांगता बाकीची हे सांगना. इंजिनियरिंग ते जवळजवळ सेम 25 लाख हेचे पयली रेट सांगलेले. कॉन्स्टेबलाचे जवळजवळ 15 लाख जाल्यार हेजे करप्शनाचे हेच जवळजवळ 300 कोटी जाता. ह्याच पोस्टाची किंमत 300 कोटी आसा. आणि चीफ मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस इज डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व इन दिस. प्रत्येक जण जो नाव घेता तो चीफ मिनिस्टरच्या ऑफिसाचे नाव घेता.
There is a new twist to the taxi meters issue. Recently, the taxi operators met the Director of Transport alleging harassment by the traffic police due to the non-installation of digital meters. Taxi operators said that we have agreed to install meters and have also paid for the meters, but many of us have not received the meters. In the absence of meters installed for their vehicle, they allege they face harassment from the police.
साहेबांक मेळ्ळे तेणी एश्युरन्स दिला की आमकां कितें तरी रिलॅक्सेशन दिता म्हणून हितून हॅरेसमेंट चालू आहा सरकारी तितून. पण जशें की 7+1 गाडयो मिटर लागना सो तांकां हाडयना जावं कोणी ऑलरेडी बूक केला तांकां हाडयना. हे सरकार कितें चालू आहा. एज पर मोटर व्हेकल एक्ट येल्लो ब्लॅकाक आणि एजीटीक मिटर घालूंक जाय. सो तेका ऑलरेडी मिटर घातलेलो आहा. ते आतां आमकां टुरिस्ट व्हेकलाकूच जबरदस्ती करता. बरं जबरदस्ती करता, फोर्सफुली ते आमकां घाल म्हणटा. आमी घालपाकूय रेडी आसले. आमकां कितें सांगलेलें, एक ओपन मार्केट दी, कित्याक हो सेम मिटर पळय तो 12,000 घेता, तो 4-5 हजारांक मिटर मेळटा. सरकार ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर आपल्याक कितें तरी खांग मेळोंक जाय म्हणून हो मिटर आमच्या 2 कंपनीक दिला आनी आमच्या गळ्यान घातला. आनी सीएमान आमकां एश्युरन्स दिल्ले की चवथीक एक गिफ्ट म्हणून टॅक्सीकारांक मेळटलो मिटर म्हणून. सो जाले दसरो, दिवाळी जाली, क्रिसमस जाय दिलो, फ्री मिटर मेळोंक ना. फक्त सरकार वाऱ्यार गुळयो मारता. त्यो फोटींग गजाली रे. बीजेपी सरकार अक्षरशः फोटींगपणा करता. लोकांक फोटींगपणा करून हेंच्यांनी सरकार उबो केला.
धाडल्या टॅक्सीकारांनी, ते तुमी धाडल्या न्हू. आमी तेंचे कडेन पयशे भरल्या, ती तुमकां आमी रिसीट दाखयता मरे. ते रिसीटीचेर आमकां तुमी रिलीव कर न्हू. तेंकां तुमी तालांव दी. कोण पळय कंपनी कोणाक पळय तुमी वेंडर हाडल्या न्हू, तेंकां फायन मारा मरे. एज पर हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर तुमी तेंकां मिटर बसोवंक ना म्हणून इन्स्पायर्ड आमी पयशे भरले आसतना, रीण काडून पयशे भरल्या, भीक मागल्या कोणा कडेन, बाबा जाय आमकां मिटराक म्हणून. तरी आसतना तुमी 100 रुपया खातीर आमकां तालांव मारता. आतां तुमकां सांगता, आज हांव नॉर्थाक गेलो, अंजुना हाडयलो, बागान हाडयलो, कालांगूट हाडयलो. तिनूय कडेन ट्रॅफिक पुलीस आसा. तो म्हणटा मिटर बसोवंक ना तुवें. हांवें म्हणलें मिटर बसोवंक ना, पयशे भरल्या. ते सायडीक रिलीव केलो, तिनूय कडेन सोडलो म्हाका. तर सावथाकसून म्हाका फोन येयलो एका टॅक्सी भावाचो की बाबा म्हाका पयशे रिसीट दाखयल्यार सुद्दां तो आपल्याक तालांव दिता म्हणून. तो कसोच उलोवंक रेडी ना. तो म्हणटा PI कडेन कितें उलयना. PI कॉल केल्यार PI कॉल घेयना. आमी म्हणटा कितें पयशे भरल्या ते कित्याक भरले आमी.
Kolwale village panchayat demolished a scrapyard which was operating illegally at Mushirwada in Kolwale on Friday. The demolition was carried out under the supervision of Kolwale panchayat with police protection.
कांदोलकर, आमी तुमकां एक डायरेक्टराचो फाटीं मेमोरंडम येयलो 2 वर्सां पयलीं. त्या मेमोरंडम प्रमाणे सगळ्या स्क्रॅपांचेर एक्शन घेवप. सो तेन्ना आमी जवळ जवळ 60 अड्ड्यांक आमी नोटिशे काडलेल्यो. 60 नोटिशे अड्ड्यांक काडले म्हणटकीर तेजे उपरांत ते लोक सारके आपलो धंदो चलयनासले. कोण जोडोंक लागले, कोण जमणीक करूंक लागले. ह्यो जो अड्डो तो जमणीक खूब पुरलेल्या माल, लोकांच्या शेतांनीय खूब पुरलेलो आहा. तेन्ना आमी नोटिशे काडल्यो, सगळ्यो फुडें गेल्यात. थोड्या लोकांनी स्टे हाडल्यो. आतां ती केशी चलोन आतां आमकां डेमोलेशन आतां जे येयल्ली आहा. आनी आमी ही डेमोलेशना एज पर द पंचायत, डायरेक्टर पंचायत आनी आमी आमच्या पंचायतीचे थ्रू हे डेमोलेशन चालू केलां. आनी हेच्या फुडें बी आनीक डेमोलेशन आसतली. तेन्ना हे जे लोक हांगासर ते खूब भायरसून कचरो हाडटात, हांगा रातचो उलपयतात आनी बरो जो माल आहा तो काडून भायर विकतात. आनी ह्यो जो कचरो रातचो आमकां धुंवर म्हणजे सारको बॅड पोल्युशन, आनी पोल्युशन कंट्रोलचो एक रिपोर्ट जो आसता म्हाका दाखयता, कित्याक हांगासर पोल्युशन आहा म्हणून आमी रिपोर्टूय मारली. इतकें आसून हेंचेर एक्शन जायना. आयज हो जो आमी हें केला ते एज पर आमचे पंचायत वॉर्डान आमी हें डेमोलेशन करतात. आनी तुमकां सांगपाक सोदता म्हणजे जे अड्डे आहात ते सगळे इलिगल आहात. आनी इलिगल आसल्या कारणान आनी जो उजो घालतात, जळयतात, ताका लागून हेंचेर आमी एक्शनी घेतले. तेंच्यांनी आपापले कितें ते सारके करचे, आमकां दाखोवचे, नाजाल्यार आमी हे अड्डे आपण हांगाले काडटले.
म्हजो गोडावन मोडपाक, म्हजें नांव इरफान खान. म्हाका विदावट एनी इंटिमेशन कांयच म्हाका लेटरां तेंच्यांनी दिवंक ना. बाबा तुका 4 दिसान 10 दिसान येवन मोडटा. कसलो तरी लेटर हाडून म्हाका दाखयता काय तुजो गोडावन मोडटा म्हणून, आनी तो लेटराचेर सिग्नेचर म्हाजी न्ही. आनी हे डायरेक्ट येयला आख्खो फोर्स घेवन म्हाजो गोडावन मोडपाक. आनी म्हाजो एकल्याचोच गोडावन मोडपाक येयला हांगा. कित्याक येयला, कशें येयला म्हाका कांय खबर ना. कितें जालां काय म्हणून. आमच्या कडेन पोल्युशन लायसन्स आसा, शॉप एंड इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट आसा, ट्रेड लायसन्स आसा, आमी पुलीस व्हेरिफिकेशन आसा, हेल्थ कार्ड आसा, सगळ्यांचे प्रॉपर ESI PF सुद्दां हांव लेबरांचे भरता. ESI PF सुद्दां लेबरांचे भरता, म्हजे लेबरांचे. आसतना ही दादागिरी करून हे मोडटा म्हाजो गोडावन.
This year, the monsoons do not seem in a hurry to recede and are expected to spill into December. Rainfall activity will resume in the state from Monday onwards, IMD Goa has said. In the weather update, IMD predicted that several parts across the state will witness thunderstorms from 30th November until 4th of December.
Dry over Goa for the past 48 hours. गोवा में रेनफॉल नहीं रिपोर्ट किया गया पिछले 48 आवर्स से, यानी कि अराउंड 2 दिनों से. और जो स्टेट एवरेज रेनफॉल है गोवा का इस पर्टिकुलर पोस्ट मानसून सीजन में अभी तक है 425.4 मिलीमीटर्स अगेंस्ट ए नॉर्मल वैल्यू ऑफ 192 मिलीमीटर्स, यानी कि अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 122% हायर रेनफॉल मिला है अभी तक इस सीजन में. और IMD ने ये फोरकास्ट किया था कि the wind patterns are going to change from around 28th of November, 28th November से wind patterns change होंगे गोवा के ऊपर, and there is possibility of yet again another 4 to 5 days of light to moderate rain or thunder shower activity to start from 28 November. तो 28 नवंबर यानी कि कल से दिस चेंजेस विल बी विजिबल. ये लाइट रेनफॉल या लाइट थंडर शावर एक्टिविटी हो सकता है कल आइसोलेटेड प्लेसेस में गोवा के ऊपर. And from 29th onwards, there could be a slight increase in distribution and the intensity of rainfall. और उसमें ही that is particularly because from around 30th onwards there is possibility of formation of a circulation over East Central Arabian Sea and possibly a trough also from that. तो इसके कारण ये आने वाले 4 से 5 दिनों में 28 नवंबर से उसमें 30th नवंबर और 1st दिसंबर को there is possibility of increase in rainfall activity over Goa. तो इसलिए it is requested that please be regularly updated about warnings and forecast in these coming days starting from 28th of November. And based on the present conditions, आज के दिन यानी कि 27th नवंबर को this is the weather warnings that have been issued. Even though activity thunderstorm or rainfall activity may start from 28th November, there are no weather warnings on that particular day. Still, please be updated with the nowcast that I am issuing from 28th of November onwards. And 29th and 30th and 1st of December, there is possibility of thunderstorms accompanied with lightning at 1 or 2 places over Goa. And the activity, like it was mentioned earlier, may continue for 4 to 5 days starting from 28th November. And from around 4th December onwards, the reduction in rainfall or near dry condition is going to be there from around 4th of December.
Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please do follow us at Oheraldo on Facebook and Twitter. Until then, goodbye and take care.